Hey friends, if you wish to clear the clipboard in Excel, Word or PowerPoint, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now here's one thing that you need to understand. The procedure is same for Excel, Word and PowerPoint, exactly the same. So I'll show it in Word, it will remain same in Excel and PowerPoint. And what is a clipboard? Let's say I copy this text and then I paste it somewhere. So while I am copying and pasting, something must be copied somewhere, and that place is called the clipboard. And if you wish to clear it for obvious privacy reasons, then it's very easy. You will be at the home tab by default. If not, then go to the home tab, click on, you find this clipboard option here, click on this little icon here. It will open the clipboard and then it will show stuff that is already in the clipboard. Okay, I don't want to repaste it, and if you want to delete it, then click on clear all. Now let me just enter 2 times and try to paste it. Nothing is going to be pasted because the clipboard is empty. And let's say I select this and I cut it, you can see that it's back into the clipboard. I click on this, it will get pasted to the screen immediately, to the file immediately. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.